Hello and welcome. Have you ever swiped away an important notification by mistake? Maybe a bank alert, a WhatsApp message, an OTP, an email, or someone sent you a WhatsApp message and later deleted it, and then realized you actually needed it? You check your phone and it's gone, no trace, no way to bring it back. Or so you think. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a proven ways to get back lost notifications on Android, including deleted WhatsApp messages and how to protect your notifications in the future. You're watching True Vibes Media, where we share simple how-to videos that solve everyday phone and tech problems. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss more useful tutorials. Now let's get started. Use Android's built-in notification history. This is the most important method, and many Android users don't even know it exists. Android has a hidden notification history feature that records notifications you dismiss. Once enabled, it keeps a log of notifications for up to 24 hours. This works on Android 11 and above, including Samsung, Xiaomi, Tecno, Infinix, Pixel, and most modern Android phones. Here's how to enable it, but before I proceed, this is a Samsung device, so other viewers may need to search within their settings since it might not be directly applied. Open Settings on your phone, scroll down and tap Notifications. Tap on Advanced Settings, then tap on Notification History. Mine is always on, and you'll see the option below once it's enabled. Now scroll down. You'll see a list of notifications from apps like WhatsApp, Gmail, banking apps, SMS, and social media apps. Tap any notification to see which app sent it and when it arrived. Even deleted WhatsApp messages will appear here as long as the notification was received. Important note: notifications received before notification history was turned on cannot be recovered. This feature only saves notifications from the moment it is enabled, so the earlier you turn it on, the better.